Breastfeeding at night can be challenging, but with the right approach, it can become a smooth and restful experience for both you and your baby. Here are the best tips for breastfeeding at night. Number 1. Create a comfortable sleep setup. Keep everything within arm's reach. Arrange your bed or nursing area so that you don't have to get up. Use a nursing pillow or extra cushions to support your arms and back while feeding. Have a dim nightlight to avoid disturbing your baby's sleep cycle with bright lights. Number 2. Master the side lying position. The side lying position is one of the best for night feedings because it allows you to rest while your baby feeds. Lie on your side with your baby facing you, and bring them close to latch. Ensure the baby's head and body are aligned to avoid discomfort. Number 3. Keep your baby close. County sleeping or bedside crib, room sharing, having a bassinet or crib next to your bed, makes night feedings easier and safer. Number 4. Feed on demand and recognize early hunger cues. Babies often stir, smack their lips, or move their hands near their mouth before crying. Responding early prevents your baby from getting too upset, which can make latching harder. Number 5. Wear easy access nightwear. Choose nursing-friendly pajamas or a loose top for quick and hassle-free access. Number 6. Stay hydrated and keep a healthy snack nearby. Night breastfeeding can make you thirsty and hungry, so keep a water bottle and light snacks close. Number 7. Make night feedings as calm as possible. Avoid too much stimulation, like talking loudly or turning on bright lights. Gentle rocking or humming can help your baby stay relaxed. Number 8. Burp gently and help baby back to sleep. Some babies may not need much burping at night, but a quick gentle burp can help prevent gas. After feeding, lay your baby back in their crib and use soothing motions. Number 9. Take care of yourself. Nap during the day if possible to make up for lost sleep. Don't hesitate to ask for help from your partner or family members for diaper changes or burping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pregnancy and baby care tips.